Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that old shit. I'm late because it's cold and raining, bitch. I was laid in the bed and I would not get up and I ate some cookies. Fat hole. I made me some cookies for breakfast. They was oatmeal chocolate chips over there. Ain't that healthy? And I ate them shits. And fell asleep and woke back up, went and worked out, and now I'm here. And it's like 1 o'clock or some shit like that. But anyway, I hope y'all feeling good and great and all that old shit. But anyway, y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. So look, check this out. Are y'all Twitter people? So what the fuck is going on Twitter? Yo, it's like there's no limit. The Indians is like it's Indian Pornhub on that bitch. I'm like, what the fuck? Yo, and the shit look weird because first of all, bitch, wherever y'all at, the shit is dirty. It was dirty. Like I was just like, I mean, I understand that some of the places is slummy and whatnot, but I guess men don't give a fuck about that. They drop their drawers and fuck right then and there and shit like that, so they don't give a fuck. I was just like, oh my god! And then they also have like where the dudes, you can tell like Indian men do not know how to fuck. You would think that they would know how to fuck, considering that what the fuck is that? That Karma Sutra, but that shit ain't real. We already know that, right? Y'all know that shit ain't real. But oh my god, I had sat back and watched one of them shits because I am in the porn and was like, what the fuck is this? And why? Like it was all whack and they fucking like this. What is that? Like, who you making? And they suck titties like a baby, like they a baby, like don't nobody like that, bitch. Y'all motherfuckers need to go back to my video where I did the sex tip on how to suck lick titties because y'all know the shit is just it was just and the girls don't even look like they enjoying it. It's like they just doing it just for a paycheck. Sign like, cause I was just like, oh my god, no. And then they had this one girl that was really disturbing. Um, that she was mad young, like she could have been like 14 to 17 years old. Like, just what girl? What did you? But then again, this is what happens when opportunity isn't there. You know what I'm saying? And you got to do what you got to do. But if you safe and you okay with doing being in the sex industry and as work as a sex worker, that's fine. You understand what I'm saying? But Twitter is just like really wow. Um, like the girls just like showing straight pussy. Like what the yo? I just be like, that's the new fucking Pornhub for free, bitch. You do that shit for free. You show your shit for free, bitch. I hope you getting paid in some way, getting compensated with some cash, some type of way, because it's work, bitch. When you work, you get paid. You understand? At least that's what I'm hoping. Because I don't understand why you would put that out there just like that, unless that's your clickbait to go to your OnlyFans or some shit, which I hope that what it is, because you'll be smart about it, because at least you breaking in some income because you're a sex worker. Ain't nothing wrong with sex worker. If that's what you want to do, that's fine. Because I was one too, not a prostitute, bitch, but I was an exotic dancer, and I host swinger parties, and also an author of my book called Quickie. Don't forget to get that. You understand what I'm saying? So, but I'm just like, they just, and I wanted to report a couple of them just because the girls just looked so young on there. And there was nowhere to report. Twitter, what the fuck is really going the fuck on? Like, is this anything goes on that motherfucker? I guess so. Moving right along, Lord have mercy, Jesus Christ. Shout out to my girl. Well, she ain't my girl or like that, but I do watch her. She's a YouTuber. Her name is Gossip Girl XOXO. She say with her fan, you know you love me. I don't know where she from, but it's actually from down south somewhere, or whatever. But anyway, she put up the video. Chat, chat. A motherfucking Soldier Boy and some other dude on live comparing dicks. The dude wasn't. They first talking about shoe size and shit. I was like, okay, wait, what the fuck is going on right here? In Jess Hilarious voice. Like, they talk about shoe size. Then the one dude, he must have showed his dick because Soldier Boy was like, oh, oh. Then Soldier said, you should go to my OnlyFans and see mine. So I guess he got his dick out because I did see Soldier Boy dick. He do got a big dick. Mostly like real skinny dudes because he a real skinny dude. They got real big dick. So and the dude went to his OnlyFans or whatever and looked at it and he was like, yo, like he went wild too. I was like, whoa, okay. Like this is gay generation. Are we coming out to closet? Wait, and on top of that, before that, he was like, yo, I'm gonna pull up on you. He was like, I gotta go. This is Soldier Boy talking. I gotta go. I gotta go. Yo, I'm gonna pull up on you. Pull up on him for what? What y'all about to do? What y'all doing? I mean, but if that's your thing, ain't nothing wrong with it. But hey, be loud and proud. You're part of LGBTQ 123 HIV. It's a joke, motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? Like, whoa. And then also it made me think, like, or because men are different women when it comes to sex and sexual. They are. They different. They real fucking different. A straight man, in some cases, will let a gay dude suck his dick, and then say that he not gay. They will participate in that type of shit. But anybody's desires is theirs, and that's fine or whatnot. But men are different. So I'm thinking, like, am I being homophobic uh, for them doing that? And also, uh, is that something that men do? Because I had a situation where I was around a situation. I was me and a whole bunch of dudes that I know, right? And they was talking, and one of the dudes talking about something. The one guy was like, yeah, that he was the one that spearheaded taking your dick out and comparing it type of shit. So I'm like, is that a man thing? That could be a man thing. I don't know. Is it? Like, but that shit. But they did that shit live. You understand what I'm saying? Yo, listen. But listen, people, the shit is just. What do y'all think about that? Like for real, like what's your thoughts? Because like I said, I do believe like, this is gay generation. This generation gay is what I call it. Like what is y'all thoughts on the shit? Because it was really bizarre for me. But then again, I'm also thinking that maybe that's just a man's thing. Is it a man's thing? Man, do y'all do that? Like, but even if it is a man's thing, they wouldn't share it. You understand what I'm saying? Just like I remember I was watching, God damn it, I don't know his name. Y'all know I know names, but he was on hot boxing, but he had went to prison and now he's like this successful guy. Gilly the Kid and Wallow, I believe that's his name. And he was saying that, well, my mind, but this is a whole different situation, being in prison. And he was saying that he would be talking to people from home and they'd be like, yeah, my such and such, and my dad in there, he's an OG or whatever. And but he was like, yo, he said whatever goes on in prison goes on in prison. He said, but he could tell them that, that their dad was like a booty bomber, booty person, whatever the fuck they call it. You know what I'm saying? But for doing a long period of time, it's like how that's a whole nother motherfucking subject. So I'm just saying. So I think that there is a lot of like CPC and shit that goes on like within the male gender that's male shit. You know what I'm saying? Because now, as a woman, we wouldn't know like or even understand it. But I don't know if that's a common thing. But I did run up on some dudes who said that did happen. You know what I'm saying? And they participate like they all like took their dick out and like showed that shit. But then I'm like, is the dude who did that like, was you trying to, are you a little trying to get the, what the fuck you know what I'm saying? Cha cha, cha cha cha. And another thing too, ladies, and men, people keep your eyes on your children because it's a bunch of fuck shit out here. Did y'all watch the American Gangster, the Trap Queens? Yo, if y'all have not watched, yo, I binged that shit from sun up to sundown. Like it was ridiculous. Because I'm no quitter. Like I just like when I see something I like and it's good, like I'm there for it. So the girl was the Big 50. She from the D. That's how they say the D. She's from the D, and like she was a drug dealer or whatnot. And she said when she was a young girl, she went to stay with her grandmother, and one of her uncles had lured her and bought her an album at the time, and closed the door in the bedroom. Was like, "I got that for you," and and he molested her, sexually assaulted, whatever the fuck, like disgusting. Keep your eyes on your motherfucking children. That's numero motherfucking uno, and teach your children how to fight. You know what I'm saying? And you know how to fight too. Like you have to know how to protect yourself out here in this world, mentally, physically, financially, spiritually, emotionally. Just all those aspects you need to be on point for. You understand? So anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about Twitter. About Twitter being the Indian porn hub, and does that bother you? Is that okay? Like what the fuck? Like what the? I mean, like what the? Because I'm a porn watcher, but you know what I'm saying. But like what the? I don't know. Like what y'all think about this shit? Because do kids even be on? I don't think children too much be on Twitter. That ain't really they thing. So but that's not like the issue. But just what do y'all think? And then like you can't even report the shit. That's the wild shit. Um, for me. And also, what do y'all think about Soldier Boy and the dick comparison shit? Like, what the fuck? And man, can y'all please chime in and let me know if that's something that men do? Because I really would like to know. You know what I'm saying? And protect your children, people. Period. And you already know my name is Rill. I'm an intimacy coach / seductress with the service called Seductive Art. And I will be having my first workshop since COVID on Saturday, April 30th between 6 and 8 p.m. There's a limited amount of seats, and it's only for my ladies only. You can go to my website, which is real nice. That's for the fashion. Seductive art dash no seductive dash art.com. Click upcoming events and it'll send you to where you can purchase your tickets. The tickets are only $20. Yo, this is a workshop like no others. It's interactive, it's informative, and we're gonna have tons of sexy fucking fun. We're gonna have wine and cocktails and hors d'oeuvres. So I hope you ladies come through. So check that out. And y'all know I'm an author. The name of my book is called Quickie Your 7 Short Erotic Stories. Get that, read while you fuck while you read. It's an ebook form only. So you can read 20% of one story for free. And make your purchase there. It's only $1.99. Ebook, fuck while you read while you fuck. And you know I'm also a designer. My brand is Real Nice by Real. And I just so happen to be wearing one of the dresses that I have created. Yes, darling. It's Real Nice by Real, all things fresh. Not only am I a designer, I am a fashion architect is what I call myself. Instead of a stylist, I'm a fashion architect because I get you together from head to toe within your fashion comfort. Like everybody have their own style, and I keep you there. But some people should just need to be tweaked a little bit. Just let me help you get your shit together the way like you come through, you stylish, you chic within your own fashion terms. You understand what I'm saying? Also, you sign up, you receive a discounted code as well as read my fashion blog. Click Let's Talk Fashion, and you can receive 30 minutes free of my fashion consultant. Talk about fashion to help you get your clothes together, and after that, we'll talk about the price. So, yeah, that's what I have to offer. I have to say thank you. I hope to see y'all ladies there April 3rd. If you have any questions, you can email me at real at fashion real at seductive-art.com, and I'll answer any questions that you have. I'd like to say thank you so much, and you guys have a great day. Until I see y'all tomorrow, you know it's the ESS day. You know I'm here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 8 a.m.-ish. No, I'm never here at 8 a.m.-ish, but you know what I'm saying. So, yeah. Y'all have a great one, and you already know. Oh, and if I resonate with you, you already know what to do. Hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. Let's get these subscriptions up for your girl. You know what I'm saying? Um, and you already know how we lead this motherfucker. Be, right? Be kind, be gentle, be warm, be passionate, be motivated, be inspired, be of goodwill, be a part of your community, be a part of the solution, be about your money, be focused, be filled with joy, be great at what you do, be about your motherfucking money, be knowing when, yes, I said bitch, be knowing when there's some fuck ass motherfuckers around, you know how to immediately eject them from your life. Be on time, be on point, be stylish, be sexy, be fabulous, be fierce, be fearless, Be great at what you do. Be happy. Be nice. Be boisterous. Be opinionated. Be aggressive. Um, be just be most importantly out of all of this, the most important thing that nobody can take away from you. And you should never allow nobody to do that. And don't switch yourself up for nobody. The most important thing, motherfucker, be you. Until I see y'all again.